Good afternoon. Today I would like to discuss with you how to grow your own sweet potatoes. These are sweet potato slips that started from sweet potatoes that we grew last year. It is in a Mittleider seedling tray and filled with a mixture of our own growing medium. When I first started growing with a Mittleider garden, I was growing my own seedling slips by taking a jar, and this one's way too small, but you'll understand. Taking a sweet potato, putting toothpicks in it, filling the jar with water, and putting the sweet potato in the water. Eventually it started to grow roots, and after it had roots, it would make a slip. You would break that slip off of the sweet potato, you would put it in a jar of water, and those slips would root. Once they rooted, you could take them to the garden and you could put them in. It worked okay, but it never worked great. So I started doing this. And all I have done is taken my sweet potatoes and I have put them in our seedling tray that is filled with a mixture of sand and sawdust and coconut coir. All I did was bury the sweet potato and keep it watered. This, in my experience, works far better because these slips in this growing medium, as they grow out, are already making roots. See all the root mass in there? So when I pull a sweet potato slip, oh, I have an infestation of ants in there. When I pull a sweet potato slip off of that sweet potato, it has already got roots and it is ready to go directly, ants, into the garden. And as you can see off of these two potatoes, there's one there and one over in that corner, there are a lot, get my arm out of the way, there are a lot of sweet potato slips. And there are a lot of roots. We found that these sweet potatoes did not start to grow any roots or any slips until the temperatures were consistently above 70 degrees. Out here in the greenhouse, when the temperatures got cool at night, these things never sprouted. But as soon as our temperatures started to come up, these shoots started to come up like mad. That is one sweet potato, and it's not a very big sweet potato. There you can see the original sweet potato. Just as a size reference, there's the pencil. So that's a little sweet potato. But that one sweet potato is making a lot of slips. Starting your sweet potatoes in the water works, but I have found that that water will get nasty in the course of a week and you have to constantly clean the jar. Dump it out, scrub it, put fresh water in it, and start over. And when those slips come out, or when they come off of the sweet potato, they do not have all these roots. I am able to get more slips and more roots by doing it this way. The sweet potatoes that we put in here were left over from last year. They were harvested in October. They overwintered in a house. I believe that this is a far superior way of starting sweet potatoes. In years past, using the jars, I did not have enough sweet potatoes to fill my bed. I am confident that if we start our sweet potato slips this way in years to come, I'm not going to have to buy any more sweet potato slips. We can get a variety of sweet potato that we like and propagate new slips off of those sweet potatoes every year and no longer have to depend on the greenhouse for our sweet potato slips. All right, folks, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and happy gardening.